Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just got a quick shop tip for you. Earlier I was using a grinder and the chop saw up here on the bench, and now I've got all this stray swarf around, and anything that's magnetic, obviously it's gonna get all over, and it is a real pain in the backside, as you can see, because every time I put this down, of course, it's picking up more and more slag and swarf. So what I have is just a magnet inside of a plastic bin, so you can use it for picking this stuff up, put it over your garbage can or your receptacle, and pull the magnet out and everything releases. And so it's a good way of cleaning all this stuff up off of your bench and getting it out of your life. And that way it's not, coating all over your magnet. And you can do the same thing. And I'll be honest with you, I think it actually works better with like a Ziploc bag. But yeah, I don't really keep Ziplocs in the shop. But this thing, I literally just leave in here for such occasions, and actually set it up on the back pillar of the lift so that it's always kind of handy. And yeah, it always just lifts right up there. So yeah, makes life easy, gets the stuff out of the way, and stops the annoyance. Well, I hope that's helpful to somebody. Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.